All right, simplify with division. No problem. Well, and yeah, for these ones, you could, if you wanted to, use the fact families for that, right? Like the 15, that's the dividend in the division problem, which means it's also the product between 3 and whatever this equals. And once we know what something times 3 is equals 15, that something is the value we're looking for. And if you knew that's 5, that's one way to say, okay, I know the answer to this one is 5. But if you took 15 and split it up into 3 different groups, you'd still get the same answer on that one. And yeah, it is possible to show this with a diagram. Not that I'm big on diagrams, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Well, look at this. If you split this up into groups, there's 1, 2, 3 groups. How big is each group? It's 5. And yeah, the diagrams like this, they're fun and they can be catchy, but once you get into some bigger values, it becomes a little impractical to use. So this next one, I'm going to write this with just division, which would be 10 divided by 2. I mean, the fraction line is division as well, but I think right now we're trying to get used to seeing this division sign still. And yeah, if you prefer to see this as 10 divided by 2, so be it, right? It's the same thing either way, so 2, we'd say maybe it doesn't go into 1, but it will go into 10, 5 equal times. And so 5 times 2 is 10. So this shows a remainder of 0. And yeah, our final quotient here is just 5. So what about this one on the bottom? Let's see, I'll use orange. Well, 11, again, that's one of those, we do expect you to have all the multiples of 11 down all the way up to 55, right? Because 55, as it turns out, is the 5th multiple of 11. Yeah, 5 times 11, that's exactly 55 right there. So when we subtract that out, it would show 0 remaining. So our final quotient, or just simplified, it's just 5.